cocktails are better in talking and whistling than female cocktails. In the wild, the male cocktail use sounds to attract females. Cocktails can be considered as the most widely caged parrot other than parakeet or budgie. The cocktail lifespan can reach up to 25 years, though the standard is 15 years. This lifespan is based on proper care, nutrition, and environment where your cocktail lives. Cocktails are better at whistling than they are talking. In fact, some extra talented cocktails can whistle entire songs. Cocktails actually require quite a bit of sleep each day, about 14 hours.
Thank you.